Okay, we've got a good one here. Customer states constantly getting fruit flies, bar flies throughout the house. Keep going in people's drinks. Go to take a drink and you got 3 bar flies floating in your drink. That's not good. First thing we always check on these, because they love to come out of the sewers, is loose toilets. Wasn't hard to find. Loose as heck. That means the wax ring is broke. It's no longer good, and the flies can just fly out from the base of that toilet freely all day, 24 hours a day. So we're gonna pull and reset this thing with a new wax ring. It's gonna have to be shimmed and caulked. Let's get it.
I'm feeling strong.